Hey guys, Joseph here. We introduced the FineVu GX300 dashcam about a month ago, and you guys seem to really like it. So we've got another FineVu dashcam for you today. Before we begin, we do want to share a comment Bernard left in our FineVu GX300 product review video. Are there any filters available for the front and rear cameras to avoid in-car reflections for the GX300? Well, Bernard, and anybody else who's wondering the same, FineVu does not have any CPL filters for their cameras, unfortunately. But we have tested and can vouch that the ThinkWorks CPL filters that we carry on our website will fit the GX300. Now let's move on. The dash cam that we have for you today is the FineVu GX300. Now this is a 2K front and Full HD rear 2-channel dash cam with many of the features that we loved from the GX300. It's the first time we've tested it, so here's what we got to say about the GX300. FineVu actually considers the GX300 as one of their flagship models. It's pretty compact. Personally, I really like the look of it, and like the GX300, it doesn't come with a built-in screen. If you turn to the side, you've got that signature FineVu power switch that also acts as a micro SD card lock, so you can't remove your micro SD card while the camera's recording. So with the dash cam, you're also going to get a 32 gig Samsung Pro Endurance micro SD card. Now turn the front camera around. On the back of it, you're going to find 3 buttons: volume, record, and Wi-Fi. You know that record button? So that's your emergency record button. It generates a 20-second file 10 seconds before, 10 seconds after, and saving that into your emergency folder so you can find it easily later. The mount is actually attached already to the front camera. Here's everything else you get in the box. You've got your rear camera cable, your hard wiring cable, cable clips, and of course your user manuals. Now installation is pretty straightforward. It's exactly the same as any other dash cam that you would install. If you want parking mode recording, you are going to need to hardwire the dash cam. Of course, the other option is to use a dedicated battery pack. The GX300 is compatible with the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 and the Celic Neo. When it comes to installing, it also comes with an angle guide assistance. All you need to do is download and install that FineVu mobile app and use this feature to help you get the best mounting angle. GX300 comes with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor, so you're gonna get great 2K QHD video of the road ahead from the front camera. With the front camera, you get a wide 122-degree field of view. This is a pretty good number because any more than that, you might get some image distortion or some fishbowl effect. Moving on to the rear camera, it's got a 2 megapixel JX-F37 image sensor from Silicon Optronic to deliver 1080p Full HD recordings at a 134-degree field of view. It also comes with HDR, auto night vision, those features working together for that optimal video quality. And working behind the scenes to make sure all of these technologies work efficiently together is the high-performance all-winner V536 dual-core processor. Now, before we dive into the parking features, do make sure that you either hardwire install your GX300 or you use a dedicated dashcam battery pack. The GX300 do offer a few parking recording modes. You've got motion detection, low frame rate recording, and smart time-lapse recording. If you choose motion detection, impact recordings are buffered, meaning you will get 10 seconds of pre-trigger in addition to after-trigger footage. For other parking recording modes, a 30 frames per second after-trigger recording will be saved. Now the GX300, it can support micro SD cards up to 128 gigs. And don't forget, one of my favorite features is the FineVu Smart Time-Lapse feature. Now that lets you record up to 5 times longer by automatically reducing the recording frame rate to 10 frames per second and then switching back to 30 frames per second when it detects an event. The GX300 also comes with a suite of safety features, including Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, Speed Camera Alert, and Driving Rest Guide. Now the Speed Camera Alert is a built-in feature that offers voice alerts on 7 types of traffic cameras, including speed, red light, and average speed cameras. GPS is built right into the GX300, so you're not going to need to hook up any external GPS module. Moving on to the FineVu app and the desktop player, you've got your built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to pair your GX300 with your smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android. And you can use the free FineVu mobile app to stream and download your saved footage as well. You can even use the app for new firmware updates and to change your camera settings. And you can download the free FineVu desktop player to play back your videos on your computer. The FineVu player supports both Mac and Windows, and with it you can play back, screenshot, and enlarge images with full resolution. You can even use the FineVu player to update your dashcam firmware. The GX300 is designed for hot and cold climates. It's got a built-in high temperature protection feature to protect the GX300 and the video files saved on the microSD card. When ambient air temperature exceeds the maximum operating temperature, the GX300 will automatically turn off to prevent overheating. So the GX300 comes with something called auto voltage cutoff. That means that if your car battery drops below a certain level, the dashcam will automatically shut off to prevent over drainage. You can also customize what that cutoff voltage is according to your vehicle type and battery. If the GX33 is a fantastic all-around performer, then the GX300 is definitely going to be one as well, but only better because it records in 2K QHD. Because if you're looking for a first dashcam that offers both front and back footage when you're driving an ADAS, the GX300 is a good investment. Now, there's also that smart time-lapse recording that allows you to save up to 5 times more footage before overwriting kicks in. Last but not least, the GX300 comes with 3 years of dashcam warranty. You can get the GX300 right now on the BlackboxMyCar website. Now, before we let you go, we do want to go back to the question that Bernard asked at the very beginning about CPL filters because we thought it was quite relevant for the GX300. Is there a CPL filter for it? Now, unfortunately, there isn't. And when we tried to put the ThinkWorks CPL filter on it, because of the shape of it, the CPL filter just didn't stay on. Now, you can learn more about the FineVu GX300 on our website. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop them down below, or you can find us on live chat, email, or even just give us a call. If you're ready to make a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout to get 5% off. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out to make me very happy. Thanks for watching.